In this video, I'll be doing a full comparison of all the most popular crypto exchanges in Singapore, namely Coinbase, CoinHako, Crypto.com, Gemini, Independent Reserve, Tokenized Exchange, Upbit, Binance, and Kraken. And OKX, which just got an in-principle approval. I'll be looking at what their fees are their spreads good, are they even licensed, how many cryptos they support, and so on. Then finally, I will share which exchange I prefer. As a bonus, I have compiled all this info into this beautiful comparison table, which you can download for free via the link down below, yeah? Also, do join my 8,000 members Telegram chat group to discuss or ask any questions about stocks, investing, and personal finance. Okay, before we jump into the comparison, let me just say this upfront. There's no crypto exchange that's 100% safe, yeah? Yes, this includes those that are regulated by MAS. That's because unlike a stockbroker, where they are required to keep our assets in a separate institution, for crypto exchange, there's no such requirements. So if ever any of these crypto exchanges gets hacked or closes shop, there's a chance that we will lose all our cryptos. That's why you should never keep your cryptos on the platform. The moment you buy your cryptos, immediately transfer them out to a private wallet, yeah? Alright, with that out of the way, let's first take a look at which exchanges are licensed by MAS. Most of the exchanges on this list already have a full license to operate in Singapore. As mentioned earlier, OKX just got an in-principle approval. Meanwhile, Gemini and Tokenized Exchange are currently under exemption and have not gotten the full license yet. Both Binance and Kraken do not have any license to operate in Singapore. So while you still can sign up to them and use them, just take note that you'll be using them at your own risk, yeah? But then, you may ask, if they are not regulated, why are you including them in this list? That's because currently, two of them are the top crypto exchanges in the world. So with that, you get better liquidity, which results in better spreads when buying and selling. Plus, they also have more available cryptos. For example, Binance currently supports 400 over cryptos, while Kraken supports 200 over cryptos. But this is not to say the other exchanges aren't good, because even though the rest may support lesser cryptos, you will still find most of the major cryptos in them, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and so on. So it mostly depends on which cryptos that you need. Next, let's talk about the most important part, fees. Before that, I have to explain something. Some of the exchanges have something called the simple mode and the advanced mode. For example, Coinbase simple mode lets you easily buy the cryptos that you want. Then, if you switch over to the advanced mode, you will get a lot more features, such as a technical chart, market depth, and different order types. This is the same for Crypto.com, where on the app, you will see the simple mode, and on the web, you will see the advanced mode. Gemini also has something similar, the simple mode and the advanced mode. And here's the thing, while the simple mode is easy to use, in most cases, their fees are a lot higher. For example, Gemini charges a 1.49% fee for simple mode and only up to 0.4% fee for the advanced mode. So, in 99% of the case, it's always better to use the advanced mode to enjoy lower fees. Though, there's just one small issue. Advanced mode tends to have very limited SGD trading pairs. So if you want to use the advanced mode to buy other kinds of cryptos, you first need to convert your SGD to USD, then use USD to trade. So that's the simple mode and the advanced mode. Okay, let's first start with the simple mode trading fee. One look and you'll be like, Crypto.com doesn't charge any fees for the simple mode leh. So it is the cheapest exchange for the simple mode lah. Not quite. Because you also have to factor in the conversion rates. Here, I'm comparing the conversion rates of one Bitcoin and one Ethereum. To do that, I first went to CoinMarketCap to copy down the so-called official value of both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then I went to each of the exchanges to copy down their conversion rates. And from there, I calculate what's the difference between the official value and the value that I got from the exchanges. And here's the result. At the time of testing, Coinbase has the best conversion rates for SGD, while OKX has the best conversion rates for USD. Meanwhile, Crypto.com has the worst rates for both SGD and USD, where the conversion rates are around 2 to 3% higher than the official rates. So even though it looks like they aren't charging you any trading fees, in reality, they are still charging you via the lousier conversion rates. So if you factor in both the trading fees and the conversion rate, when using SGD, Coinbase would be the cheapest exchange, followed by CoinHako, then Independent Reserve. As for USD, OKX is the cheapest. However, it doesn't support fiat. Instead, it supports USDT stablecoins. So if you prefer fiat, the next cheapest exchange for USD would be Coinbase and Gemini. Moving on to the advanced mode. Similarly, Just looking at the trading fees alone isn't enough. That's because each of the exchanges has different bid-ask spreads on their cryptos due to the different number of people trading on their exchange. So besides the trading fee, you also need to look at the 24-hour trading volume, where the bigger the volume, the tighter the bid-ask spread, and the better the price you can buy and sell your cryptos. Here, I'm comparing the spreads of Bitcoin and Ethereum with both SGD and USD. Binance has the highest trading volume, which isn't surprising given that they are the world's largest crypto exchange. Then it's followed by Coinbase, then Kraken. Meanwhile, Upbit has the lowest trading volume, which means their bid-ask spread would be pretty wide. So if I factor in both the trading fees and the 24-hour trading volume, for the advanced mode, I would probably go with Crypto.com. Since their trading fees are the cheapest at 0.075%, then it will be followed by Binance, which charges up to 0.1% trading fee. But if you prefer to use an exchange that's regulated by MAS, the next cheapest exchange with a decent volume would be Gemini. As for the fiat withdrawal fees, almost every crypto exchange charges you a fee when you withdraw your fiat back to your bank account, except for Coinbase, which doesn't charge anything if you are withdrawing SGD, and Kraken if you are withdrawing USD via ACH to an US bank account. So those are some of the fees that you will need to take note of. Next, let's look at some of the features that they have. First up, most of the exchanges allow you to fund fiat currency via bank transfer into the account, except for Binance, where the bank transfer is disabled if you are from Singapore, and Kraken, which only supports USD, and OKX, which doesn't support any fiat. Next, every exchange on this list lets you send and receive cryptos, though there are some exchanges with some minor fine prints. For CoinHako, there are some cryptos that you can't transfer out. For example, if you buy stuff like Solana, Avalanche, Cardano, you won't be able to transfer them elsewhere. So you can only trade but not withdraw. Next, for Gemini, whenever you add a new address, you will be subjected to a 7-day approval period before you can withdraw. Compare this to other crypto exchanges where there's only either a 24-hour or 48-hour waiting period. And even so, the feature can usually be turned on or off. Next, peer-to-peer lets you directly exchange crypto with another real person. For this, only Binance supports this feature. But be careful, yeah. While P2P is convenient, it is also prone to scams, and sometimes it's used for money laundering, which is also the reason why Binance wasn't able to get licensed by MAS previously. So use it at your own risk, yeah? Next, both CoinHako and Crypto.com have some pretty nice reward systems which lets you earn rewards. For CoinHako, you will earn points every day just by logging in, and whenever you trade, you will also earn points. As a bonus, 2x points are awarded if you trade using the mobile app. The points can then be redeemed to offset your trading fee, or be used to buy some cryptos. As for Crypto.com, they have a mission system where the more missions you complete, the better rewards that you will get to enjoy. Next, some of the crypto exchange lets you stake your cryptos to earn a yield on them. For example, Coinbase has a 3.12% yield for Ethereum, while Crypto.com has a separate DeFi wallet app which lets you stake your cryptos to earn a yield. But as mentioned earlier, the exchange might suddenly close shop, so it's never worth it to stake your cryptos on the exchange just to earn that 3 to 4% yield, while risking losing 100% of the cryptos if ever this happens. Lastly, both Crypto.com and Binance have a trading bot, where you can do stuff like automatically trade at regular intervals or do grid trading. But this is some pretty advanced stuff, yeah? So only use it if you can afford to lose money. So those were some of the features that are available on the exchanges. As you can see, each of the exchanges have their unique features. So there's no best exchange, and it totally depends on which feature that you need. But for me, since I'm only using the exchange to buy the cryptos and transfer them elsewhere, my priority would be to go for the exchange that has the lowest trading fee and makes it easy to withdraw the cryptos. In that case, I would prefer using either Gemini or Crypto.com, since their trading fees are the lowest for the advanced mode. Anyway, that's all for this video. Hope you found this useful. Like, share and subscribe, as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.